Hello, these short videos were created to introduce ColumbusFood functionality that are enhancements built seamlessly into the Microsoft Dynamics NAV solution. Using simple examples, we'll highlight key Columbus functionality that's being used by the produce industry today. For many years, Columbus has worked with various types of produce growers, processors, and/or distributors and their product lines. Columbus is the solution, experience, and support to meet these fresh produce businesses' unique ERP system challenges. This specific video highlights Columbus's key inventory attributes. Let's start by looking at Columbus's dual units of measure and catch weight. Fresh produce may purchase or stock ingredients by the pounds or carton, produce finished goods by the bag or case, and sell finished goods by the case, carton, and/or by bulk quantity. Dynamics NAV allows the user to assign multiple units of measure to an inventory item. This gives the user the ability to record transactions for the same item in different units of measure. However, all transactions are recorded on the ledgers at the base unit of measure. With Columbus's dual units of measure, fresh produce is able to manage that same item in terms of its base unit of measure and its bulk quantity, pounds or gallons for example. Fresh produce can also choose the specific unit of measure to base costing and pricing value postings. Fresh produce define if the item is a catch weight or not. Catch weight allows for a greater degree of detail in that the user can record the exact alternate quantity amount for a particular transaction. If a check mark has been placed in the Catch Alternate Quantities field, the user can indicate a percentage that will be used by the system to calculate an acceptable range of values when an alternate quantity is entered on a transaction line. This maintains data integrity. Let's consider items and lots and the important attributes each lot can have that makes one lot unique to another, even for the same item. As we know with produce growers, processors, and/or distributors, an item's attribute play a critical role in various processes, including inventory, grading, vendor-customer management, production, product quality, and costing. Columbus properly manages and supports item attributes for ingredients, intermediates, and finished product types. Variation in attributes for a single item lot can be brand or farm, quality control elements, grading, or key dates, for example. In addition to basic inventory rotation methods, FIFO or FIFO, for example, Columbus maintains and supports expiration dates and quarantine dates. These can be defined as strict, which can help maintain inventory integrity. Columbus offers tools to monitor specific distribution days based on the remaining shelf life of current products, significantly reducing customer chargebacks, preventing transactions for expired lots, and automatic write-off of product when it reaches expiration dates. Columbus gives fresh produce the needed visibility and functionality to the item lot attributes. One tool, Lot Availability, offers key filtering. Here you see a filter being set on key lot specifications, which are user-defined and unlimited. Filters allow fresh produce to isolate the view of their inventory based on what they consider to be important attributes. Columbus's lot status code is another attribute. This attribute both describes the lot and gives fresh produce the ability to define what transactions that particular lot is available for. Here's more attributes. Key aging data, including best if used by and shelf life, as well as those user-defined key specifications and brand and farm. All of this allows fresh produce to manage their material's unique variability, helping to produce and deliver consistent quality products to their customers' specifications. Produce processors that produce based on production runs require tracking and tracing of key materials, regardless of the amount used in the production run. In a matter of minutes, Columbus offers produce growers, processors, and/or distributors full lot tracing, both forwards and backwards, for mock or real product recalls. We'll be looking at this particular item lot and then drilling into the item tracing. Filters enable fresh produce to limit or expand the data range needed. Expanding or collapsing allows for easier to view data by the end user. Item tracing allows for very quick drill to the actual documents themselves. First, we drill to the actual sales order shipment document. Next, we pull up the production order, which makes up the consumption and output. Finally, here's the production order receipt, giving us the vendor and when the raw material was supplied. Since starting on the finished good item, we were able to trace back to the raw material. A simple click of Trace Opposite Direction instantly starts the tracing from the raw material. This is full lot tracing, not only lot numbering, but attributes as well. Columbus gives fresh produce the capability to pass certifications and mock or real recalls quickly. That completes this overview video. We anticipate you may have more questions, and we welcome the chance to discuss further your business needs. Thank you for viewing.